So, Merry Christmas from St. Petersburg in the end of August. What's up guys, this is Igor, Russia, and we are now on the Petrogradskyi side of city. It's Petrogradskyi island basically, next to Petrogradskyi metro station. We're gonna go and check out the center square, traffic circle, whatever it is, and check out the life here in St. Petersburg. Welcome and subscribe. Alright, so this is I spend the evening here, and this is an awesome place. Awesome place also. It's sometimes nice to be here in Petrogradskyi. Check out these awesome buildings. Oh, nice music. Amazing musicians, city is full of them. Restaurants, an awesome city vibe. And I haven't filmed quite a lot in Petrogradskyi yet. I have one walk on the Kameniy-Ostrovsky Prospect Street, whatever it is. Some others also. Just made a live stream on my Facebook, on Igor in Russia Facebook. So I guess I should film more. It's an awesome island. I filmed Vasily Island a bit more, but that also needs to be filmed quite more. I try to give you quite a big range of St. Petersburg on my channel. So it's Sunday evening, but it feels great. People working hard and long hours. Check it out. Here we are. There's quite a few black person also. They're usually students. By the way, I need to maybe buy from my iPhone. Well, I do that elsewhere. Oh, it's a dude. I thought it was a guy, woman. And you know, there's a lot of musicians here in St. Petersburg, and they have their own fan groups, just like, well, I used to make music as well and make some songs as well. And they have their own fan groups. They're coming from oh my God.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special, someone special.
All right, we have to go now.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
So, Merry Christmas from St. Petersburg in the end of August. But a really cool voice, I gotta admit. are nearing the metro station. The city is amazing, guys. Amazing. We can go to the tunnel if we want to cross the road, but we're not, because we actually go into this metro station. We're just gonna walk through this and end the video. All right, guys. Here's a very short vibe of the city, vibe from Petrogradskyi, and if you want more, please comment down below and enjoy the other videos that I made from walking the city, St. Petersburg walk playlist. All right, guys, from St. Petersburg, Petrogradskyi, bye bye.